So guys, I don't have too many exchanges to talk about in this video. However, when it comes to no KYC exchanges, I think these are my absolute personal favorites. So do stick around for this video because it could interest you. And it's always good to, just identify different products out there because there's different reasons to sign up to different things. Now, when you sort of dabble in with crypto, it's a huge, overwhelming ocean. You are presented with so many different tokens, so many different altcoins, cryptos, whatever. You can see just scrolling through this coin market cap right here, there are hundreds, and the list goes on and on and on. All these different coins, all these different projects, and it is overwhelming. Now you have the choice. Do you hold them on exchange? Do you hold them cold on a ledger? Do you hold them on chain on an EVM wallet, like, a DeFi wallet? You can do all of them if you wanted, but it depends on what you want to do. Now, if you're someone that wants to use an exchange, typically a lot of people do, then my first sort of go-to place is Bitunix. Bitunix, better liquidity, better trading, global crypto derivatives exchange here. So it's a solid one for no KYC. It's also globally accessible, and you can trade a lot of popular cryptos here. Hundreds and hundreds of different trading pairs here with Bitunix. And at the moment, you can actually earn a whopping 3% to 11.6% APR on a flexible fixed term with USDT. And you can also do actually some very nice sort of APY returns on the Ethereum narrative as well right now. So that's pretty cool with the staking side. But yeah, Bitunix, guys, why? You've got low fees, fairly low fees, not the lowest, but they're pretty low. You've got copy trading as well, where you can literally earn, if you're someone that wants to be a leader, you could then earn a 10% share of the followers' profits. But alternatively, you can actually go on to Bitunix and start copy trading other successful traders, and they're only going to make money if you're making money. Remember that. So they have to do their best. But yeah, great place for your spot trades, your leverage trades. You can see here we're looking at the spot exchange, and obviously there are tons of trading pairs that you can use. Let's click on XRP right here, for example. So we can see here is the XRP chart, and we can sort of dabble around this and alter things and change how it looks. What else do we have? We've got the futures side as well. We got the USDT perp futures. So if you want futures to do leverage trading and any kind of wild trades like this, it's something you can indeed do. You can do shorts, you can do leverage trading. You can go all the way up to 125x leverage, 125x on the short as well if you want to. So the leverage side is absolutely there as well, and it's also super easy to buy crypto. I think this is very important these days. An easy, trusted on-ramp system. So for example, we can click here, look, credit card, debit card. You can use things like Visa, MasterCard. You can choose the different currencies that you wish to use to then convert into your desired quantity of I guess Tether or whatever you're doing. You can also use third-party narratives as well, such as Google Pay, Apple Pay, even things like Revolut Pay, bank transfer as well, to get some of these different fiat currencies into the exchange. So super easy. Not going to waffle on about that. And then once you've done that, that will land into your spot account where you can pretty much get trading straight away. So it doesn't take a long time to get started in the crypto realm. But yeah, exchange number one, guys, Bitunix. The link is down below. And I will say, right now they're doing some very nice user bonus rewards. New users are very welcomed here at the moment. Next up, we got KSEX. KSEX is one of my favorites as well. This one here, you can't on-ramp the fiat currency into the exchange. However, it does reap the benefit of having the lowest fees. You can see 0% maker, 0% taker, and very minuscule futures fees as well, which keeps more money in your back pocket whilst you're trading away. So this is another very popular choice. It's no KYC. It's globally accessible. It's pretty simple. There's not a lot of complexity to this exchange. It's literally deposit, market, spot, futures, and event center. Okay, so very simple, but one of my absolute favorites as well. So you can deposit in using Tether from another exchange or source. That's the only sort of kind of downside. It's a bit less noob friendly. But when you do look at the exchange, you can see here is the future side of things. We can go up to 75x on some coins. In general, feeling quite bullish about this exchange. They're doing a lot of great things. A lot of great coins are launching here. If we use Bitcoin as an example of maximum leverage, just to see where we can really go, they do deliver up to 125x leverage here on the exchange as well. So you've got some big leverage plays. You can do shorts, longs, isolated, cross margin, whatever you prefer. And of course, we've then got the spot exchange as well, where if you want to buy cryptocurrencies 1-to-1 ratio, then of course you've got an ocean. You've got a myriad of choices that you can buy: alt, memes, AI, Solana, whatever it is. You can grab grab all these with the KSEX ecosystem as well. So the link is also down below for that. Now, if you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment, but get yourself into my crypto Discord channel, Jacob's Crypto Clan, if you're someone that wants to get into a real close-knit community and enjoy the presence of great people in a crypto market. And yeah, get in there, you know, say hi, don't be shy. We'd also have the Crypto Legend Patreon and also the Crypto Champion Patreon and also the Crypto Warrior Patreon if you want to enjoy yourselves some benefits such as trading signals, alphas, and just being part of one of the hottest crypto communities that exist right now. So that is all down below for you guys to check out. Now, that's about a wrap. Subscribe, like this video, send to a friend, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.